angle bisectors. So in this problem, it says that BD bisects angle ABC. So what we see right here is that because BD bisects the big angle, the angle ABD and DBC are congruent. They then let us know that the measure of ABD is 6x plus 3, and the measure of angle DBC is 8x minus 7. They want us to find measure of angle ABD, but to do that we first have to figure out what x is. So since BD bisected this large angle, the two smaller angles end up being congruent because bisects means to cut it in half. That means we can set these two expressions equal to each other to create an equation. From there, we can go ahead and solve this equation. So we can minus 6x to both sides. And so 8x minus 6x is 2x. We can go ahead and get the 2x by itself by adding the 7 to the left side of the equation. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And then we can go ahead and divide both sides by 2. So we see that 5 is equal to x. Now that we know what x is, we can plug that into the expression for ABD. And that expression is this one right here. So the measure of angle ABD is equal to 6x plus 3. Replace the x with the 5 that we found. We have 30 plus 3, that's 33 degrees. And that is the measure of angle ABD. So we know this is 33 degrees, and since these two angles are congruent, we actually already know that this is also 33 degrees, for a total of angle ABC as 66 degrees. All right, the last one. QS bisects angle PQR, and they let us know that angle PQR angle degree is represented by 8y plus 44. They also let us know that angle PQS is 10y minus 8. Now this time they give us the measure for the overarching angle, the big one, so PQR. Well, since PS bisects that large angle, these two angles are congruent. So once again, since it bisects, it cuts it into two equal pieces. That means if we know what the total angle is, 8y plus 44, if we cut that in half, we'll actually know this portion of the angle. So half of 8y is 4y, half of 44 is 22. So now I can go ahead and set those two equations equal to each other, and we can solve it. You minus the 4y over, that's going to give you 6y minus 8 equals 22. Add the 8 over, so you're going to have 6y equals 30. Divide both by 6, and y equals 5. Since they want to know what PQS is, they want to know what this angle is, substitute the 5 into there. So the measure of PQS is 10y minus 8. Replace the y with the 5. So that's 50 minus 8, which is 42 degrees. So the measure of angle PQS is 42 degrees.